like Lambda API will give getter setter method only compilation time, not at runtime. At runtime, that is not there, not a problem. At compile time only, it should generate the common code like getter setter method, which modifies the bytecode at compile time. After compilation, it's not needed anymore. So the dependency not available at runtime, not a problem. Compile time, okay, it is visible only at compile time, not visible to anyone anywhere. Okay, boss. Runtime only. Runtime only. At the time of compile, this jar is not visible, but at the time of runtime, it is visible to the application. It is visible only during the application execution. At compile time, it will not be available. Okay, SL4J API, guys. SL4J API is not required at compile time, is always required at runtime because SL4J backend support, guys. Test implementation are only available during compilation and runtime of the test cases. Test compile time, test runtime. That's it. Test compile only. Visible only during test compilation. Again, same Lambda API, guys. Test compile time. Test runtime only. Only visible during test runtime. For example, you take JUnit, boss. You take JUnit runtime engine, Jupyter engine of JUnit. Is it required compilation time? Source code compilation? Test code compilation? No. It is required only test code execution. It is required only during test code execution, guys. So that's the reason we have got this. Everyone understanding my statement, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay, guys. Shall we feel one or other thing practically, guys? Shall we feel one or other thing practically here? Come on. Okay, we'll see all the practicals once. First, let me complete one by one. First, we discussed about repositories. Super. Then we discussed about scopes of those jar files. Okay, now let me talk about the plugins first. Using all the three concepts together, I will use single example. Using all these concepts together, I will use single example. Don't worry about it. Yeah, plugins, guys. Tell me what is plugin? When you add plugin support to, when we add plugin support, we get additional functionalities or not? We definitely get additional functionalities or not? I want reply, boss. Plugin is nothing but set of all useful tasks, guys, such as compilation task, okay, domain objects, setting up source files, etc. Okay, and etc. handled by plugins. Applying plugin into project means that it allows the plugin to extend the project's capabilities. That it allows plugin to extend the project capabilities. Are you getting my point there, guys? Are a normal TV, boss, but I want to enjoy Netflix in that. So we connect Amazon Fire Stick. So when you connect Amazon Fire Stick, normal TV becomes smart TV. When we connect Amazon Fire Stick, normal TV becomes smart TV or not? Normal TV becomes smart TV or not? Yeah, similarly, Gradle will do its work on its own. But when you add plugins, some extra facilities will come or not. It is become capable of completing different tasks or not. The plugins can do things such as extend the basic gradel model, add new DSL elements that can be configured, configure the project according to conversion, add new task and configurable sensible default, apply specific configuration, add organizational repositories or enforce standards, different plugins to different categories, guys. We have different categories of plugins, boss. The code we write in build.gradle is called Groovy based DSL, nothing but domain specific language. Simply nothing but domain specific language. Enjoyed my statement, guys. JVM languages and frameworks. Java provides support for building any type of Java project. Java plugin, guys. This plugin is useful to create Java projects. We have a quick start plugin, quick start archetype, which gives Java project directory structure. Similar. Java libraries provide support building Java library to create our own jar files, guys. Java platform provide support building Java platform. Java platform means entire JVM, JDK setup will be given. Groovy to create Groovy project. Scala to create a Scala project. AntLR provides generating versus AntLR, some configurations, guys. So we have a lot of things now, boss. See, here C++ is there. Swift is there. Swift is what? One mobile application environment, guys. XC test is there. Listen carefully, boss. Okay, all this means what? Gradle can be used in Java and non-Java environment. What do you say, guys? Gradle can be used in Java and non-Java environment. Are you getting my point? Yeah. We have a plugin for packaging, boss. We have a plugin for packaging and distribution. Application provide support building JVM based runnable application. This is var file. General application will do jar file, guys. JVM based runnable application jar file. Var file. At the end, it can pack up according to var file, boss. EAR file. Everything can be packed into EAR file. Maven publish. Okay. Provide support publishing artifact to Maven compiled compatible repositories. Or if you want, you can put in Maven local repository, Maven central repository. IVA publish can put in IVA repository. Distribution, guys. Makes it easy to create zip and distribution to your project. Java library distribution. Creating zip and Java library distribution. We have a different plugins of different category, guys. And observe very carefully. Check style, PMD, Jacaco report aggregation, code narc. All these are what? Code analysis, boss. Are you understanding my statement, guys? TAR is also one kind of file, boss. TAR is also one kind of file. Performs quality check to your project, right? Samit Prabit, in Eclipse, if Klambaki is not working, we have to install plugin. You have to install plugin. I think in regular Spring Boot and microservice class, I have given how to install the plugin. Please go through that. Yeah, ID integration, boss. We have ID integration, Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA, Visual Studio. Xcode. All Xcode is given for what purpose? These are various ideas that are there in the market, boss. Various ideas that are there in the market. Okay, utility guys. Utility base a common life cycle such as clean and other feature common build INAT for initializing build activities, signing, okay, for providing security to use Gradle. Plugin development makes it easier to develop user-defined plugins. Project report plugin helps to generate reports containing useful information about your build. We are a lot of plugins are there. That's what I'm trying to say. We use different plugins at different levels. Gradle is full of plugins. You want X functionality, include a relevant plugin. Y functionality, use relevant plugin. Okay, guys. Working with the Gradle tool in Eclipse IDE, standalone application. Make sure that Buildship plugin, Gradle plugin for Eclipse is installed in Eclipse IDE. From Eclipse IDE 2020 plus, this plugin is built in Eclipse. Built in Eclipse IDE. Built in Eclipse IDE. You need not install separately. Is that clear, boss? Okay, right now my mind is 2023 latest one. So tell me, a Gradle plugin is going to be built in one, boss?
ఇందులో ప్రైవేట్ గా పెట్టుకుని పెట్టినారు చూడు, నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు ఇది ఏంటిది. అదే యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ది ప్రైవేట్ గా పెట్టిన దానికి వెన్ యూ యూస్ యువర్ సర్వీస్ యువర్ ట్రస్టింగ్ యాజ్ విత్ యువర్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్
దేంట్లో పోయినావు?
దాంట్లోనే నువ్వు చూసిన సెట్టింగ్స్
What's our plugins are required, guys, but we even do everything
అన్నీ
through
అవసరం
its
లేదు
life
ఇప్పుడు
cycle,
మళ్ళీ
right?
అది ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు
And how we
మామూలుగా
can use
యూట్యూబ్ లో
Gradle plugins in Maven, Nona?
ఇవన్నీ వీడియోస్ పెడతారు చూడు.
ఏంటి
Gradle
మామూలుగా
plugins
ఏదైనా
can be
పోస్ట్
used in
చేస్తాం
Gradle
వాళ్ళ
only. Na
వీడియోస్
use
అవి
brain
సెక్యూరిటీగా
draw,
చేసుకునేదానికి
please.
అట్లా
Who
కొన్ని
is
ఉంటాయి కదా
asking this
కామెంట్స్
question?
రాసుకునేదానికి
Prasad
అవన్నీ
Botu.
మేనేజ్ చేసుకునేదానికి డిలీట్ అయిన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ చూపించేది
Now, Baswaras,
అవన్నీ వస్తాయి దీంట్లో.
Mr.
మామూలుగా
Baswaras, Maven plugin should be
నీకు
used
ఇప్పుడు
in
అదేం
Maven.
కాదు.
Gradle plugin should be used in Gradle. You cannot mix,
అదేమన్నా అవుతుందని చెప్పి చూస్తున్నావా?
right?
అసలు ఏంటి అని
These are exclusively designed for Gradle,
అదేం
right,
కాదు.
boss?
మనం ఇప్పుడు గౌరీ కళ్యాణ్ వీళ్ళందరూ కూడా
Okay,
స్టార్ట్
guys.
చేసిండ్రు
Tell
మామూలుగా.
me, let me
ప్రతి ఒక్కరు
confirm.
కంపల్సరీ ఉంటది ఒక అకౌంట్.
Gradle buildship
దాంట్లో మనం
plugin is
జస్ట్
already
పోస్ట్
installed
చేసుకున్నాం.
or not installed?
చూస్తే చూస్తారు లేకపోతే ఏం
Alexa,
కాదు. అందేం
activate
కాపీరైట్ ఏమో
balcony fan.
కాదు మ్యాక్సిమం. ఒక 90 వీడియోస్ పైన బట్టి అప్పుడు తప్పితే ఇప్పుడు ఏం అవసరం లేదు.
Gradle buildship plugin is already installed or not installed? How to confirm, guys? Show view, others.
ఇవన్నీ
Observe
రివ్యూస్
very
యూనిట్
carefully.
రివ్యూస్
Gradle
ఏమైనా
has come here.
ఉంచడానికి అయ్యి.
Gradle has come here. Gradle has come means plugin is already installed. That's one way to confirm. Another way to confirm is look at the project section. Here you type Gradle. Gradle project is coming now. Gradle project is coming now. Come on, guys. One thing you remember was after 2020, any version of Eclipse IDE you take, Any version of Eclipse ID you take, it's built in one.
నార్మల్గా చూసుకో.
Prachi madam, Nitin Mudraj, are you going to work with the older version of Eclipse? No, na. You people not listening problem. Prachi, Nitin Mudraj, you are not focusing at all. Feeling shame for your questions. What I said, after 2020, any ID you install, it is built in with Eclipse, right? Did I say that statement? Then people are asking, sir, if not there, what to do? If not there means, are you going to use old version of Eclipse? Prachi madam, Nitin sir, are you going to use before 2020 version? Focus, Ra. Stop playing with mobile. Throw the mobile away. Shame on you for your queries. Okay, guys, let it be, boss. Okay, so everyone going to work with the latest version. Maybe I am using 2023 one, someone use 2022 one, but no one uses before 2020. Maybe it is not there in the internet to download also. Got it? Super. Okay, now listen. Gradel project, select Gradel wrapper or Gradel version 8.3. A Gradel wrapper means, listen carefully. When I use Gradel wrapper, though Gradle is not installed in your computer, no problem. Along with every project, Gradle will come. Entire Gradle setup will come. Along with every project, entire Gradle setup will be brought into and will be attached to the project. And Gradle wrapper is good, guys. Why you know? Tomorrow, if you move your project to a system where Gradle is not there, no problem. Because of Gradle wrapper, there also we can execute it. Because of Gradle wrapper, there also we can execute it. So Gradle wrapper is good, guys. Gradle wrapper is good. Anyhow, I have selected Gradle wrapper. Gradle wrapper keeps Gradle software along with every project. Gradle wrapper keeps Gradle software. Gradle software and Gradle libraries. Gradle libraries along with the project, so that project can be moved any system, though Gradle is not installed in that system. Though Gradle is not installed in that system. Though Gradle is not installed in that system, guys. Super, guys. Now let's do that. File new. File new others. File new others. Java project. No, it's not a Java project. Sorry, Gradle project. Gradle project. Say next. Name of the project, guys. I will give Gradel Pros 01. Gradel Pros 01. Next. What you want to do? I want to take Gradle wrapper, boss. I want to take Gradle wrapper. That's it. Okay, boss. Here, what is there? You want to enable what you want to enable. Build scans, automatic synchronization. Build scans, automatic project synchronization. What do you mean by that? I need not to say synchronize separately. Whenever changes are done, changes should be recognized automatically. Whenever changes are done, changes should be recognized automatically. Build scans means every time you should remember, okay, what are the changes done compared to previous build activity, so that things will happen fastly in a boss. Say next. It takes time, guys. First time it has to download entire Gradle software. It takes time. It takes time. Don't disturb the process. Don't disturb the process. Why? I said Gradle wrapper is such a concept which gives Gradle along with every project. So that when project is moved to one mission to another mission, in another mission, Gradle is not there, no problem. Gradle wrapper will provide the setup to execute the Gradle commands. It will provide the setup that is required to. Yes, project creation is done now, boss. Say finish. Yeah, first time it takes time, guys. First time definitely it takes time, no doubt.
పడదాం అనుకున్నా. భరతనాట్యం నేర్చుకుంటా.
Why it is taking this much time, guys? It's not supposed to take this much time. Why it is behaving like this? Okay. Connection lost. No, I don't think connection lost, guys. No, it's right. We selected gradel wrapper, automatic build scans. Should not take this much time. Come on. Why it is behaving like this? Can I stop it then? Can I stop it then? When I stop it, project is created. Can I close it then? They're saying it's active operation, you cannot close it. But at the same time, it is not going off, right? Hey, this stupidity, they should not give this kind of error, boss. Refreshes your desktop. What is the use of it? I should lose this window. I should get the option, right? Okay. At least when I say, at least I can try freshly now, boss, with a different option. It will not go off, huh? Stupid Eclipse, boss. Task manager. Task manager, Eclipse window.
ఇది మొత్తం కొట్టేసి
And the task. Fine. We waited long time, guys. Let's start freshly, boss. Let's start freshly. Yeah, sometimes these headaches will be there. We have to be ready. Okay. Launch it. But already Gradle project one, but it is incomplete one, boss. It's incomplete one. It's incomplete one. We should get the structure like this. We should get the structure like this, guys. We should get the structure like this. The structure should look like this. Understanding? Gradle pros one, this one, test resources, right? Test resources. This kind of structure is required. This kind of structure is required. To date, JUnit, fine. Gradle tasks, some errors it's showing. Gradle execution is fine. Okay, it's gone, guys. It's gone, guys. Come on.
రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది.
Right click, new, other. What is this? Gradel project. And one more time, no option. Gradel project. Say next. Name of the project. Gradel. What is there? Gradel Pros 01. Gradel Pros 01. Right, boss. Right, then. After that, what next, guys? Override workspace settings. Override workspace specific. Okay. Otherwise, specific Gradle version you select. Because Gradle wrapper we tried, boss. It's not happening. Leave it. Then what I do? Say next. Say next. Let's see. We'll try this option, boss. Actually, Gradle wrapper is the best option, guys, but somehow not happening. Let me go for it. It will dynamically download that 9 version, guys. Super. Creating Gradle API 8.7 version, whatever the version. Yes, boss. Say finish. Say finish. I think things are happening smoothly this time. Let's see. If still not happening, what should I do? I have to change the Eclipse version. By assuming Gradle is having problem in this version of Eclipse, I have to start working with another version of Eclipse, which is bit older. For programmer, what is most important? Patience is most important. Developer needs patience. If you are frustrated, more you will do more mistakes. Don't be frustrated guy as a program. First time now it is downloading many things. Next time onwards, maybe the process may be speed up. The process may be speed up, guys. Yeah. Yeah, somehow project is created, guys. Yeah, here we got gradel project. It is not created perfectly above. Yeah. Somehow it has come here. Check it out. Now are you able to see the directory structure, boss? Come on, everyone. Are you able to see the directory structure? Come on. Yes, guys. Tell me, boss. Yeah, one default package has come having default source file. Okay. Here, resources to place property file and helper files. Test.java to keep unit testing code, guys. And resource test related properties file. This is to place test related property file. This is unit testing code. This is to keep source code related property file and helper files. And this is the default package we got. That is the default package we got. And I'm not interested in these default packages, guys. Let's remove them and let's remove them. Let's remove them. Let's remove them. Everything I want to construct from scratch level, right? Okay. Observe what is the purpose. Folder to place sources, folder to place unit testing code, folder to place supporting files, property file kind of thing. Okay, this is in test environment. Test environment. Uh, okay, here one more resources folder is there. Did you notice that? Here one more resources folder is there. Folder to place supporting files like properties file. This is development environment related to development. Two resources folders are there. One is for development environment, one for testing environment. Yeah, listen guys, in old versions we used to get build.gradle, Groovy based DSL code. But in recent versions, what we are getting? Build.gradle.kts takes Kotlin based DSL code. Kotlin is also one more language, guys. Kotlin is also one more language, right? Okay, luckily, boss. When I select the Gradle version, also I'm getting Gradle W. Nothing but Gradle wrapper is coming, boss. Happily, Gradle wrapper is coming. Entire Gradle software is coming. So we can still enjoy Gradle wrapper features. Okay, guys. Understanding my statement, guys? Super. Okay, first let me start with the jar file story, guys. Let me start with the jar file story. See, guys, already some dependencies are there. Jupyter dependency is there. JUnit platform launcher is there. Math 3 is there. Libc.gua is there. Let's check whether they have come or not. Let's check they are come or not. Project external dependencies. Some jars are coming automatically now, boss. So now what I do, I comment it, or I remove it, whatever it is. I comment it, save it. Since I have selected auto synchronize, okay, not happening, no problem. So right click, Gradle, refresh the project. Actually, auto synchronize, or maybe in second creation, we did not get a chance for automatic synchronization. Second time, we have not got a chance to select the automatic synchronization, right? So that's the reason I am manually refreshing, boss. So when I see there is no folder called external dependencies. Is there any folder called external dependencies, guys? Show ID extension for this file type. Let me install them. Okay, it is asking to install KTS. It is asking me to install KTS. Okay, where is that KTS guys? IDX. It is saying it will install, but not installing anything. No problem. What I do is I'll continue as a text file only. I'll go as a text file only. Don't do. Okay, now this is the plugin section, guys. Not this. This is the plugin section, guys. Okay, here I want to add Spring related jars, guys. I want to add Spring related jars. Okay, let's have a look. Sir, again Maven repository only now. Yes, again Maven repository only. Okay, what is the jar? Main jar file for core module? Spring context support. Spring context support. Click on it. Spring context support. 6.1.4, super. 6.1.4, super, right? Okay, now listen. Maven, gradel. Gradel in DSL style. Gradel DSL in short form. Gradle Kotlin is here. Gradle Kotlin syntax is here. Gradle Kotlin syntax is here. Array, same MVN repository will give information. Select this one. Implementation means it is visible in all phases, guys. Save, paste. Click on save, guys. Click on save, guys. Click on save. Okay, we have to say Gradle refresh because automatic synchronization is not configured. Automatic synchronization is not configured. See guys, Spring related jars have come now. See my dear, Spring related jars have come or not? Okay, now try to understand what is this guys. Right, implementation is the scope. This is the group ID. This is the group ID. This is the artifact ID. This is the version. Array, same as Maven, but syntax is different. Same as Maven, but syntax is different. Agree with me, guys? This is group ID. This is artifact ID. This is version. Group ID, artifact ID. Group ID. Only group ID is there, we are giving it. And it will give main jar file, dependent jar file, transitive dependencies also will come. Same as Maven. Same as Maven. From where it has gathered those jar files? From where it has gathered those jar file? Maven Central. It's a shortcut to work with Maven Central. Right now, boss? It's a shortcut to work with Maven Central. Got it? Now I'm removing all this stuff, guys. I'm removing all this stuff, guys. Maven Central. Okay, guys. By default, what has come, guys? By default, what has come? Apply Java library function for API and implementation separation. And nothing is there. Java library plugin is applied. So that we can we'll get everything that is required to develop the Java library. That is required to develop the Java library. Now, if you want, you can take just Java library also. Java plugin, guys. If you want, you can take just Java plugin also. Structure will not be disturbed, guys. Same old structure will come. Same old structure will come, right? This section plugins, this section repositories, this section dependencies, this section dependencies, and this section, okay guys, this section to specify Java versions and other things, guys. To specify Java versions and other things. And this section, what task should execute? What task should execute automatically at the end? Okay, JUnit related test cases should execute automatically at the end. So right now you don't bother about that. Right now you don't bother about that. If you remove these things also, really does not matter. Why? Okay, these are default things, guys. So if you, okay, these are the default things. Listen, apply specific Java tool chain to use working of different environment. Okay, this is what task. Use JUnit platform for unit testing. JUnit platform for unit testing, guys. So tell me, boss, though This file is different, guys, but more or less it is looking like a Maven. More or less it is looking like a Maven. What do you say, boss? More or less it is looking like a Maven. I want reply from you people. Okay, guys. Let me say note. Gradle Kotlin section, guys. Gradle Kotlin section. Especially you should get from Gradle Kotlin section or okay, guys. Can I give this code to you people, guys? Build.gradle.kts. Build.gradle.kts. Yes, boss. Deals with the plugins, guys. For repositories. This is for repositories, right? This is to work with repositories, guys. This is to work with repositories. Tell me next one. This is to work with repositories. This is scope, guys. This is scope. This is group ID. ID. This is artifact ID. This is version, guys. This is version. One is group ID, another one is artifact ID. This is version. Cool, guys. Collect from Yakubu. This is also DSL, but based on the Kotlin language. They have improvised, boss. They have improvised, nothing else. Mr. Yakubu. Okay, it is also DSL. I am not saying it's a DSL. It's a DSL, but Kotlin based. Earlier Groovy based, now Kotlin based. They are improvising, boss. Version to version they found. Compared to Groovy, they found Kotlin is good. So that's why they have improvised it to Kotlin. So you don't go to it. They don't bother about you. They bother about what is best for the tool. So based on that, they are improvised. Clear? Whether you know Kotlin or not, whether you know Gradle or not, why they think was. What is best for the tool, they will use it. And if you like it or not like it, you have to start using in your project. If you don't know, you have to learn and use it. MVN repository dot. Collect from MVN repository dot. Collect from MVN repository.com. Run boss. Say paste. Implementation org.spring-context support 6.1.4. So from this section we have to get. I want everyone 1 minute. Here one small headache has come in wrapper. We got small headache in wrapper creation. Okay, tell me guys, note. If Gradle wrapper based project creation is giving problem. Tell me, boss. Gradle wrapper based project creation is giving problem. Then use other option. Other option like creating the project by choosing Gradle version. Latest. Convinced, boss? Okay, fine. So you also keep the basic setup ready, guys. So the real fun part is there in tomorrow's session. Okay, how to change the repositories, how to work with the plugin. Plugin will have a tasks, how to deal with the task, how to pack the code, how to release the code, how to run the unit testings. Lot of things. Whatever we have seen in Maven, maximum things we try to see in Gradle also. Maximum things we try to see in the Gradle also. Don't worry about it. Thank you guys. I will upload the notes to the